I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today I'll talk about a new feature that introduced in a messaging app with iOS 14. But before that, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us. Now, if you've done that, let's move ahead. iMessage is one of my most used application on my iPhone, of course after a WhatsApp, but I've been waiting for this feature since long, and guess what? With iOS 14, those are finally here. Let's take a look at them one by one. First on the list is to clean my message inbox. Really, I received so many unwanted messages in a day and I want to filter out my known sender from the unknown sender. And thankfully, with iOS 14, now I have this feature on my iPhone. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. Okay, to do that, navigate to settings, select messages. Over here, scroll down a little bit and you will see an option message filtering for unknown and spam user. Tap on it. Over here, turn on the very first option, filter unknown sender, and one more, SMS filter. Now let's see its impact on a messaging app. So let me navigate to the messages. Okay, so these are all of the messages. Okay, so on top you can see an option filters. Tap on that and you can see my messages are filtered between known and unknown senders. So this is simple, right? It's not just this, there are a lot of improvement to the group chat as well. Earlier there wasn't an option to have a group chat, but there were almost zero option to customize it. But with iOS 14, now I can have a more freedom and I can customize my group chat. Even you can do that. Let's take a look how you can customize a group chat. The first thing first, in a group chat I like that I can now mention someone and send an individual reply in a group chat. So just in a case if I want to mention a Dhwanesh, just hit on the @ button, type his name Dhwanesh, and you can see that turned a little bit grayish and I just have to okay. So when I hit the space bar, you can see I have tagged the Dhwanesh in this conversation. So hello, hit send button. So I have sent an individual message to Dhwanesh by mentioning him in a group chat, and he will also get a notification, and vice versa. If someone mentioned you in the group conversation, you will get also notified that okay, someone has mentioned you. Even if you have turned off the notification for that particular group, you will still receive a notification if someone mentioned you in a group chat. If I talk about more customization, now I can change a name and assign a photo, an emoji or a memoji to the group icon. Head over to group chat and tap on that little tiny arrow icon next to the group name. Tap on info, and from over here you can change name and photo. Tap on it. So I can rename this team iGeeks to iGeeks blog, and from here tap on done. Okay, so if I want to change a photo, so now from here I can click a picture. I can select a picture from a gallery. I have tons of options for a memoji or emoji. So let me pick this smile over here. So I can change the style as well, like a color. Let me pick a blue. Tap on done and done. And one more time, tap on done. Okay, so once I change a group name and an icon of that individual group chat, all the members in that group will get notified that okay, someone has changed a name and icon. Also in iOS 14, you can now send inline replies for both single person conversation and a group chat. Some people are also calling it in a threaded chats, but okay, whatever, now you can do that. But are most usable in a group chat where multiple people are involved in discussing multiple topics. Doing that also is a pretty simple. Just tap and press on the message. Let me show you how you can do that. As I just said, just tap and press and hold that message, and you can see an option reply, copy and more. From over here, tap on reply, and okay, so this is an individual conversation that me and Suraj is having in this group chat. Okay, let me reply to him. Hello Suraj. It's send, and I'm starting in a group conversation. This is simple, right? Now bang on and start a separate chat in a group chat. Just kidding. Another useful yet a simple feature, pinning a contact. And I'm really thankful to Apple that they have finally introduced this feature in this messaging app with iOS 14. As I said, iMessage is one of my most used application, again after WhatsApp, but I'm seeking for this feature to have on my iPhone. Okay, so let me tell you how you can do that. In order to do that, just swipe from left to right on our individual message, and it will be pinned on a messaging application. So this is simple, right? So now we can pin up to 9 conversation in our messaging app. So now say goodbye to clutter conversation and find an individual chat from that. Okay, so in other way, just in a case, if you want to unpin this, just tap and hold that individual conversation and a pop-up will appear. From there, select unpin. This is simple, right? Okay, so now last but definitely not the least option, searching for emojis. I was badly waiting for this as I express my feeling more with emojis and less with words. This feature made it simple for me to search for an emoji on my iPhone. Do you want to know how you can do that? Okay, to search for an individual emoji, head over to any conversation, like I'm using an iGeeks blog group conversation over here. Tap on this little tiny emoji icon, and over here you can see an option, search for emoji. So let me search for a car. So there are multiple options. Let me search for a sports. Okay, so there are multiple options. Let me search for my feeling. I'm angry right now. Not really, but I am happy right now. So there are multiple options from an emoji that I can simply search with this feature. Excited, right? I know these changes are very basic but designed to give the user a complete experience while using their messaging app. What I am missing and hoping to have in the next update is to filter a group chat in a messaging app, just like the other filter conversation, like all messages, unknown sender, known sender, and a group chat. I hope Apple will add this feature in upcoming iOS updates. I hope you like this feature in this messaging app with iOS 14, and definitely you also like this video too. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and hit that red subscribe button. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.